blizzard warning.
Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. This weekend we are getting a big blizzard, 3 days of heavy snow, high winds. The temperature is dropping quickly. I woke up, this is early in the morning, and it was just below freezing, and it's supposed to drop another 10 degrees in about 2 hours. So there's cold winds coming in with heavy snow. So today I'm going to get all my trees from the benches and protect them in the greenhouse here. I'm not going to put any in the poly house because I'm afraid the roof is going to cave in with all this snow we're getting. So I'm going to squeeze them all into the glass greenhouse somehow. The snow is already beginning to come. See the ice and snow build up on the greenhouse already. It's very, very white outside. I have lots of trees still out on the benches here, so I've got to bring them all inside. I'm kind of worried about the temperature plus the snow load. You can see already, the branches are bending down quite dramatically. Yeah, with the kind of snow we're getting, could break some branches. All right, I'm going to get busy now bringing trees into the greenhouse here. Here you go, come on. Oh my God, bit of a squeeze here. Wow, does the cedar forest ever look nice with the snow on it? Yeah, really, really beautiful. I've still got my giant birthday tree I've got to bring in here. I think I'll put that on the floor. It's gonna be tough fitting that in. Here I go. Oh, I gotta unfreeze this door. There I go. Okay, here it comes. Come into the warmth. Birthday tree. There we go. Light as a feather. Okay, I can go right there. Whew. That door closed. Okay, large forest. I gotta open this up. Okay. In you go, large forest. Whew. Okay. Alright. The larch forest looks awesome in the snow too. Looks very Christmassy. Yeah, that's a nice shot of the larch forest. Beautiful. All right, so I'm starting with the heaviest trees while I have my morning strength, and I'll work away to the lighter ones later on. So out into the blizzard I go. Okay. The elephants are coming in now. Nice cedar forest. Lots of forests coming in. European buckthorn. I am going to put some of the trees in the poly house. I don't think I'll have room in the glass house. And I'll put the trees in the poly house that if the roof were to cave in, it wouldn't really upset the design of them. So trees that are kind of in training rather than the more developed trees. Next, I'm going to bring in the large European buckthorn. It's a really heavy tree, so I've cleared a space for it in the poly house, so in it goes. Well, that's inside. That was one of my most heavy ones. So they'll get a little lighter from now on. Sure is wintry out here. Virginia creeper vine. I'll put that in the polyhouse. There we go. The witch's tree is free. Going inside. Luckily, the temperature is warm last night, so they're not too frozen to the benches. I don't know about this one. Got a piece of wood. Maybe gently encourage it. There it goes. Done. Just needed a bit of persuasion. Okay. I've got a few more trees on the bench, my sugar maples, my native white pine. So I'll put those in. I'm moving my boxwoods from the poly house, the cold greenhouse, into the warmer one. I don't think they're, all that winter hardy in pots, so I better protect them. Bringing in all the little oak trees. Out comes my forest. Nice boxwood forest. In goes the white pine. I do have my Douglas fir forest in the poly house, so I think I'll move that into the glass greenhouse. I don't think they can take the really cold temperatures. Yeah, it'll be happy in the warmer greenhouse for the winter. Okay, I've got all the trees inside either the glass greenhouse or the poly house here. So yeah, big changes in the weather today. So we'll be going down to -14, which is not real cold, but it's getting to the point where if you leave your trees out on the bench, even hardy trees, they can start to suffer. Generally, you know, hardy trees like native trees can go down to about -18, almost -20 on the benches. But yeah, it's kind of dangerous. You could lose the tree, so it's better to protect them if you can. Here is a look in the poly house now. You can see all the snow-covered trees. Sure look beautiful in the snow. So you can see my roof is holding, but I've got to get up there and bang the snow off. I'll have to do that a lot for the next 3 or 4 days until it stops snowing. Yeah. Let's go look at the glass greenhouse now. You can hear the wind howling outside here. The storm is definitely on its way. Blowing all that cold air in. Okay, into the house here. So you notice it's light enough out now that the lights don't come on in the greenhouse here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so there's my my thuja forest. Eastern white cedars looking really good. Larch forest. My old growth cedar. I got my birthday pine down here on the floor, the Scots pine. I got the elephants here. They're somewhere in there. There they are. Yeah, so everything is protected now. That's good. So I've got to do a lot of rearranging. So I've got floor space in the greenhouse here. A place to work in winter. Wow, it's getting really nasty outside now. I'll go show you the benches now. Here is a look at the benches. They're empty. I have a few seed trays down here that I couldn't pry off. And yeah, they're brittle seed trays, so they'll just have to stay there until the weather thaws. But yeah, the benches are empty. Here's a look at these benches. They're also empty. Looking very lonely out here. But, you know, the greenhouse is full. So next, I'm going to bang off the snow on the poly house. Try and keep it snow-free for the next few days. All right, let's get up there. Now, I've got to do this really gently. I don't want to make any more tears in the roof here. All right, I think that'll do. I've got most of the snow off. I'll just have to keep at it. Hopefully, this roof will survive the winter. Definitely on a wing and a prayer, this one. So my next job, I've got to bang the snow off the roof on the garage there that has a 911 in it. And then I got to shovel the driveway. There's a lot to do on these snowy days. Yeah, that's a blizzard. I'll keep you updated on the progress of the storm over the next couple of days. We'll see how high the winds get and how much snow lands on the ground. I'm going to be busy doing a lot of snow removal. I'll get my exercise, that's for sure. So that is it for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.